Hi everyone, this is Teacher Carlit and welcome to the Wave Private School. Today is 26th April 2020 and our topics for today, comparing and ordering angles and direction. Our references are Workbook page 123 and Workbook pages 124 to 127. Let's start with Workbook page 123, Comparing and Ordering Angles. Number 1. Look at the angles below. Arrange the angles in order. Begin with the smallest. Letter A. This is angle A. B. This is angle B. And C. This is angle C. Okay. Which one do you think is the smallest angle? Based from here, from your observation, we can see that angle A is the smallest. Angle A. Okay. Followed by, next is angle B. To be followed by angle C, because angle C is the biggest angle of them all. Letter B. This is angle X. When you see this is angle, we call this angle X. This is angle Y, and this angle Z. Which one is the smallest? The right, angle Y is the smallest. To be followed by angle Z. No? This is the next one. Second. And last, the biggest angle is angle X. Okay, number 2, that is your homework for today, workbook page 123. Let's go to the next topic, workbook page 124, direction. Question 1. The picture below shows a knight standing in the middle of a village. He is facing the castle. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Okay. This is the figure. This is the knight. The knight is facing the castle. Okay. Now, if you can see this, the knight is facing north, or north is the castle. This one, it's like this. Okay. When you move like this, it should be like this. So, north, barracks is the east. Forest is the west, and town square is the south. Okay. Now, let's answer question A. The castle is to the blank of the knight. So, castle is what? It is the north. North of the knight. Okay? Because this knight is facing north, or the castle. Question B. The lumber mill is to his blank. So the lumber mill is located where? Okay, so let's answer first here. This is the north. Remember, this is the north, east, west, and south. Okay. This one, this line, this is what we call northeast. Okay. This line, between north and west, we call it northwest. Okay. And between east and south, we call this southeast. And between south and west, we call it southwest. Okay. So remember these things. Okay, so let's continue answering question B. The lumber mill is to his, with respect to the night, lumber mill is situated in southeast. So we'll answer this southeast. Okay. All right. So let's continue. How about letter C? If the knight makes a 1/4 turn in the clockwise direction, he will face the, okay, 1/4 clockwise. So we know that from our previous topic, 1/4 is from north to east. That's 1/4. And from east to south, that's another 1/4. From south to west, that's 1/4. And west to north, that's 1/4. So, question C, if the knight makes a 1/4 turn in the clockwise direction, he will face the, from here, 1/4, he will face the barracks. So, we answer here, barracks. Okay. Now, let's answer question D. If he turns 135 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction, instead, he will face the blank. Okay, we know that anti-clockwise is moving to the left. So we know that 1/4 turn is equivalent to 90 degrees. How about 135 degrees? So we know that this is 90, and we know the half of 90 is, this one is 45 degrees. So 90 plus 45 is equal to 135 degrees. So 135 degrees is from here, north, up to here. So the knight will face the ducks. Okay. Now let's go to workbook page 125, question 2. Look at the picture below, then fill in the blanks. Okay. This is the question in your book. And before we answer the question, let's have a revision about the types of polygon. We know the 3-sided polygon, we call it triangle. 4-sided, we call it quadrilateral or square or a rectangle. Pentagon, 5-sided polygon. Hexagon, 6-sided polygon. Heptagon, 7-sided. Octagon, 8 sides. Nonagon, 9-sided polygon. And decagon, 10-sided polygon. So we know from previous question that we know that this is north, south, east, and west. We call it northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. Okay, let's answer question A. The circle is to the blank of the square. If this is the square, what is the circle situated at? The circle, if we put it like this is a square, then circle is situated in the south of the square. Okay. Question B. The blank is the northeast of the octagon. Northeast, we know that this is northeast. Northeast. Octagon, by the way, let's fill this first. Pentagon. We know this is 5 sides. Pentagon. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided. We know this is hexagon. Okay. And now this is, okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We know that 8-sided is, we call it octagon. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know 7-sided. What is it? This is heptagon, is the 7-sided polygon. Heptagon. Okay. We know that this is a square, a rectangle, triangle, and this is a circle. Okay. Let's answer question B. The blank is the northeast of the octagon. Octagon, we put it here. Northeast of octagon. Northeast of octagon. So what is it? Northeast, like this. So hexagon is the northeast. Hexagon. Okay. Now the hexagon, okay, the hexagon is to the blank of the pentagon. So let's put it pentagon. Where is pentagon? Here. So pentagon is situated in the what? Hexagon is in the blank of pentagon. If this is pentagon, hexagon is what? Facing? It is the east. Okay. East of the pentagon. Okay. Next. Question D. The blank is the northwest of the triangle. So, northwest. If this is triangle, what is the northwest of the triangle? Northwest, we know that here is the northwest. The northwest is the octagon. So here is octagon. And now, question E. The heptagon is to the blank of the triangle. Heptagon, where is heptagon? Is to the here, southwest of the triangle. Southwest. Okay. And that question F, name one shape that is to the northeast of the heptagon. Okay. Heptagon, if this is heptagon, what is the northeast of the heptagon? So this one, northeast, so this is triangle and square. Triangle and square. Okay, next, question G. Draw a star in the grid above such that the rectangle is to the west of the star. Okay, draw a star in the grid. Okay, this is a star. Draw a star in the grid above such that the rectangle is to the west of the star. West of the star. If this is the west, if this is the star, put it here. Okay. So the west now is the triangle. The rectangle. So we put it like that. And letter H, mark X in the square that is the northwest of the rectangle. Northwest of the rectangle. Okay, if this is the rectangle, northwest. Northwest should be here. So X will be, we put it here. Okay, so northwest is like that. Alright, so your additional homework for today are workbook page 126, question number 3, and workbook page 127, question number 4. And check your weekly plan for your homework for the rest of the week. Thank you and keep safe. See you. Bye.